Hi, my name is Ravi. Today I am going to demonstrate how to capture a secondary ignition waveform for diagnostic purpose. I am using here Hantek Oscilloscope and probe set with Hscope software, which is amazing. You can see here Hantek 6074BE 4-channel automotive oscilloscope in the background. And launch X431 Pro scanner tab, which I have installed the Hscope Android app to use. Here is the Hantek secondary ignition probe, which is called HT25. Okay, let's see how is the setup with these tools. First, hook up the BNC connector of the ignition probe into the channel 1. Okay, today I use my Honda 125 scooter for this demonstration, but still same procedure to capturing the secondary ignition waveform as other motor vehicles. Here is the ignition coil pack of this bike. This is the plug wire goes to the plug. So I will hook up the secondary ignition probe clamp on this plug wire where we can comfortably capture the secondary ignition waveform. Okay, I hook up the probe clamp on plug wire here nearby the plug top. The negative clamp should hook up on a good ground location. That is very important as we are going to capturing high voltage in kilovolts. Otherwise that high voltage might cook the oscilloscope and the tab when he found the ground part through them. So that always double check the negative clamp is hooked up on a good ground location. Okay, let's set up the Hscope now for capturing. You can download Hscope app free on Android on its beta version. First select the probe as HT25 on the probe list and then select voltage range. I select here 20 kV. And then we can change sampling rate and time base too. But I leave it here and do it later. Okay, start the motor. Here we have some signal. So here is the point Hscope shows its ability. We can zoom in the screen by tapping it on and capture the right waveform very easy and comfortable. Okay, here we can see classic secondary ignition waveform pattern. We can put a trigger on higher sampling rate. Look, we can see dwell time, inductive kick and the burn time clearly. Actually this Hscope Android version is more comfortable and user friendly software other than some PC based software. You can easily adjust the screen by tapping on it. Zoom in, zoom out and putting guidelines, calculations are very easy. Really Hscope is a versatile software which can use with cheap oscilloscope. I am trying to play with the trigger little bit here. Actually trigger is not much important for this capture. But playing with the trigger I am trying to figure it out how high inductive kick is kicked off. However, top of the middle on the screen we can see peak to peak voltage value goes around 14 kV. So we can observe more details for the diagnostic by seeing the current draw waveform on primary ignition system same time. Let's see how is the setup for that. Okay, I am going to attach a second channel onto the scope. This is low amp clamp which is capable to measure the primary ignition current. Turn on the amp clamp and select the scale. I select here 10 mV equal 1 amp mode and then hook it into the number 2 channel. Don't forget to hit the calibration button on the amp clamp to calibrate it before the capture. And then hook the clamp around the coil negative wire. Next, activate the second channel on scope software and select the probe as CC6510 from the probe list and then select 400 mV range. Okay, here where we have hooked the amp clamp and secondary ignition probe. Let's check the waveform. I have already zoomed in the screen and focused the waveform. You can see very clean current ramp on the green trace. So this is the basic way of capturing secondary ignition waveform and current ramp using Hantek device and the Hscope. So hope to bring you another video to show you how to analyze this secondary ignition waveform for the diagnostic. Anyway, let's see how we can use Hscope Automotive version for capture the secondary ignition waveform. Just tap the car icon on the top left corner of the screen to toggle into the Automotive version. Here I have to select low sampling rate as Automotive version only support for low sampling rate, but quite okay. And then hit the record button. It start to record the waveform. We can zoom in and out as usual for focus the area of the waveform where we need to observe. Very easy and comfortable. Just hit the data button to save the waveform in both mode for the later use. There are more measurement and analytic tools in the Hscope Automotive mode. Let's talk about them later. Actually, scoping for diagnostic is very excited. Hope to bring you more videos on Hantek and Hscope. Thank you for watching. Stay subscribed with us.